Hi, this is Francis from A+ Tutoring. In this session, I'm going to show you how to solve question number 10b in this past final exam number 1. Now, I need to find out if this series converge or diverge. Okay, so what I can see right away is I can use integral to solve this. Right? So this means that I'm using integral test. If my integral converges, then the series converges. All right. So I have integral from 1 to infinity and e to the minus n squared dn. So this is improper, right? So I have to write it as limit n approaching to, well, I'm not going to use the same letter. So I'm going to use b approaching to infinity, integral from 1 to b, and e to the minus n squared dn. So I have to use substitution, right? U equals to minus n squared. So du must be equals to minus 2n dn. So minus du over 2 equals to n dn. So I have my n dn to be here. So I have an extra minus 1/2 in front and it's e to the u. So integral of e to the u is just e to the u. So my answer for this integral is going to be, so I still have my limit in front. I have minus 1/2, which is coming from the minus 1 over u, minus 1 over 2 du. And then I have e to the u, but what is u? U is minus n squared. Okay, now I'm not going to go through all the detail on how to do the integral because this, I want to focus on the series here. So this integral is giving me 1 to b. Okay, so if you go through it in detail, replacing the u and then solve for the integral, you get to this answer here. So for more information about the integrals for the substitution, you can just refer to my other videos. Now here I want to plug in b, but before doing that, I want to rewrite my fraction here because e to the power of minus n squared is basically going to be in the denominator. So let me do that on the next page. So I have limit of b approaching to infinity. And that's basically minus 1 over 2 e to the n squared from 1 to infinity, well, which is b here. So this is going to become limit of b approaching to infinity minus 1 over 2 e to the b squared minus minus 1/2, so plus 1 over 2 e to the 1. Okay, so what happened on this side, right? Because I need to take the limit on both. So on this one, e to the infinity is just infinity. 1 over infinity is going to be 0. So this is 0. So therefore, I have 0 plus 1 over 2 times e. Okay, which is 1 over 2 times e. And this is actually convergent, right? So this is converging because it's a finite number. If it's equal to infinity or something that is undefined, then that means that it's diverging. So therefore, the series converges by integral test. For more information about integral tests and converging or diverging series, please visit my website, go4a+.com.